I don't know who was in the left lane, but I never seen him.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Days been gone and sleepless nights. Try to catch me howling at the
So that first pass, it finally looked like it cleaned up.
Yeah, finally ran right after a year of misfires.
How much boost was that pass?
About 22 pounds.
What do you normally run?
60-ish.
So low. So are you making any changes for?
Yeah, it was about 10% lean everywhere. So it is nice to see that the Holley wideband that's in the wastegate dump tube matches the wideband for cylinder 1, but they both agree that it's about 10% lean, so I put some fuel in it.
Then send it again.
And then I'll leave the boost where it is. And I'll run it again, try to get the tune dialed in on this low boost before I turn it up anymore.
Nice. So Shawn, what are you testing today? You did a gear change?
Gear change and radials.
What gear change or what gear size did you go to?
411.
From
390.
and you're on radials now?
Yeah.
How was that first hit?
It was alright for the first second, and then a little too much power too fast.
Yeah, it looked like it white smoked the tires down track, but are you gonna change anything or just try it again?
Take a little bit out of it and see if we can't get it to keep the tire under it.
Nice.
Was that fun?
Yeah. That should have been.
Actually, the RPM still stayed on a pretty straight incline there. But right here is where I would say knock the tire off. Right at the knee in the curb there.
Yeah.
Then you got back after it here at 7 pounds. Little wheel spin here at 15. That's where I smoked him there.
Yeah. But if I wonder if I should put maybe a timing retard in it there and leave the boost alone, and if the car's moving, see if it'll take it.
What's the boost ramp?
There is no ramp.
It's just all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, no.
Yeah, if you can do a timing retard, that's better.
Yeah, just 10 pounds of pressure straight across.
Mm-hmm.
So how was the second pass?
Second pass was same boost, but AFR is now on target. We're chined up to 1 lean cylinder, and that's much closer. So it went a little bit quicker. Still only 22 pounds of boost. About 500 horsepower, top of first gear.
Yeah.
I don't know who was in the left lane, but I've never seen him. Otherwise, it looks good. Air
Good.
temps only rose 3 degrees. It's just got straight water in it, no ice. So for a low boost, that works fine.
Yeah.
So at this point, I'd say it's tuned. And we need to turn the boost up to the next lowest boost it will run, which is about double what it's at now.
So 40 something.
About 40 pounds, yeah.